You asked, how to divide 6,250 by 5 using the long division method. 6 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 6 minus 5 equals 1. Bring down 2, making 12. 12 divided by 5 equals 2. 2 times 5 equals 10. 12 minus 10 equals 2. Bring down 5, making 25. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. 25 minus 25 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 5 equals 0. 0 times 5 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1,250.